welcome to my channel. These are some of the creations that I made using marshmallow fondant. So today we are going to make marshmallow fondant. Begin by adding 2 or 3 tablespoons of water to mini marshmallows and microwaving for about 30 seconds and then stir until it's smooth. Add in about 1 cup of confectioner's sugar and mix until smooth. Continue adding more confectioner's sugar and then stirring until it has the consistency of dough. Coat your cutting board with oil or shortening, transfer the fondant, and then knead it until it is smooth. You can store it for use later or cut it into sections so you can add some color. Shape each section into a ball, press the center to create a bowl, and add your food coloring. To mix the color, squish the fondant until you get the desired color. It will be very sticky, so you're going to need to add some confectioner's sugar while you're squishing it, so it will be manageable. To save it for use later, just wrap it in plastic wrap and put it in a resealable bag. Thank you so much for watching, and for all things creative, delicious, and fun, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.